If you want to learn how to add really nice background textures for your scenes, then follow these quick steps. Here, I have already prepared some images that I want to use as background. I will simply drag and drop them into my scenes and then close them all. Go to the Overlays menu in the Outliner and click on the plus icon. Scroll down to the Components and drag and drop the container. Under Dimensions, you can see that your width is in 100%. Click on Height and Input also 100%. Go back to Components and now drag and drop the image icon. Select the background that you want to import and click Confirm. Input 100% for your width and height, and now the image will cover your entire screen. Now make sure that in general, the position of the image is in absolute, then scroll up to the Z index, input the value -1. This will set your image behind anything that is in your scene. Go back to the 3D view, but you still can't see the image. Open your scene settings and enable the transparent background. That's it. Now, you can use your images as backgrounds and even make them interactive using actions. I will explain more about this feature in the next video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.